వీడియో ತು ಒಂದು ಪುನಃ ಪೂರ ಕ್ಲೇಗ್ಲ ಎನ್ನ ಉಡಲ್ ಜಿಂಜಿನ ಸೋಲ್ ಮೇಲು ಇನ್ನಿತ ದಿನ ಯಾನೆಕ್ಲೆಗ್ ಬಾರಿ ಪಿರಾಯಿನ ಕಾಲದ ಒಂಜಿ ಡಿಶ್ ಮಂತ್ ತೋಜ ಒಂದುಲ್ಲೆ ಅವು ಕಡ್ಲೆ ಬಲ್ಯಾರ್
ತಮ್ಮನ ಇಲ್ಲೊರ್ಮೆ ಕಮ್ಮೆನ ಅಪ್ಪೆನ ಕೈ ರುಚಿತ ಇರ್ಮೆನ ನೀತಾಸ್ ಮನೆ ಮಸಾಲ ಅಡ್ಪಿಲುಡಿ ತಿಂಡ ಬಾಯಿಗೆ ರುಚಿ ರುಚಿತ ತಮ್ಮನ.
Hey guys, you must be wondering why I am speaking in Tulu. Yes, you guessed it right. Today I am going to prepare Mangalorean, very traditional, typical and authentic Mangalorean dish, Kadle Balyar. Welcome to Neeta's Mane Masala. So, let's cook. I have taken here 250 grams of dry fish soaked in water for half an hour, 250 grams of boiled kadle, black chickpeas with salt and oil, 3 tablespoons of oil, 2 medium onion, few curry leaves, 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, grated coconut, pinch of turmeric, tamarind water, Neeta's Mane Masala Kadle Balyar paste and coriander leaves. Many of them don't know how to cook dry fish in a right way. Today I am going to show how to cook balyar, that is dry fish, in a correct way. You have to need to follow some few steps for that. I will let you know how to cook. So first let us heat up the kadai, add water and allow it to boil. Yeah, the water is boiling now. I have added 2 glasses of water and now the water is boiling. Now here I'll squeeze out the balyar nicely so that excess salt is removed. I'm going to add the 2 into it. It should not overcook. Just one quick boil is enough. Since it is already soaked for half an hour, so we need not to overcook it. So we are going to cook for in a high flame. As I said, give a quick boil to the balyar. I am going to switch off the flame and strain the balyar. Here we are going to shred the balyar. It is also called shark, into small pieces. Next step, I am going to heat the kadai and dry roast this coconut, grated coconut. For that, I am going to add 1 teaspoon of oil. Once the oil get heated, I am going to add grated coconut and pinch of turmeric powder into the kadai and few curry leaves. The curry leaves and the coconut and the turmeric gives a good aroma. Going to fry in a medium flame. I am going to fry this coconut in a medium flame till I get the raw smell. disappear, and I feel now the aroma of the coconut, turmeric and the curry leaf mixed together. It's time to switch off the flame. Then we'll proceed to next step. Let's heat up the kadai and wait the kadai to get heat. Add 3 teaspoons of oil into the kadai. After adding the oil, allow it to heat. I'm going to add chopped onions, 2 big size. Give it a stir fry, and I'm going to add curry leaves. So in Mangalorean dish, the curry leaf is very essential. Without the curry leaf, there is no dish. The curry leaf itself gives the flavor and the taste. Once the onion gets slightly brown in color, add a half teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and saute it. I can feel the ginger garlic paste aroma. For 1 minute, just saute it. I am going to add Nita's Mane Masala Kadle Balyar paste. So now let's cut this packet. Well, I am going to take half of the masala paste, not going to use full. And giving a stir fry. Then I'm gonna add little bit of water as per your required consistency. Make it a thick gravy, and cook it for 3 to 2 minutes. I have added 2 tablespoons of tamarind pulp here. In the masala already it's added, but you can check your consistency. The masala is boiling. Now it's time to add the boiled kadle, chickpeas, into the masala. As I said, I have used 250 grams of chickpeas. Give a stir fry. I am going to add this balyar we have shredded. Stir it, mix it nicely. We are going to add this grated and roasted coconut into the kadai. Well, many of my friends were not aware of this kadle balyar recipe. So tradition dishes of Mangalorean are fading away now. So in order to keep that tradition, we have introduced this masala. I am happy that I have learned this recipe from my elders, so that I can show my coming youngsters that this recipe can be easily cooked through Nita's mane masala paste. So please try. Seriously, it is very good, authentic recipe, which goes well good with ganji, boiled rice, and balyar, as well as starters also you can have. In my family, my husband likes this most. He loves this dish very much. So kadle balyar is ready to serve. Similarly, 28 varieties of masala are still available in market and still counting. Do try the recipe and enjoy cooking.
వెజ్ నాన్ వెజ్ ఓవే అటిలుగు వెజ్ నాన్ వెజ్ ఓవే అటిలుగు మూలుండు బగ బగత మసాలెలు మూలుండు బగ బగత మసాలెలు పీతాస్ అనే మసాలా పీతాస్ అనే మసాలా చికెన్ కర్రీ కోరి రొట్టి చికెన్ మటన్ పుల్లి ముంచి గీ రోస్టు మర్వై పుండి ఉడుపు శైలి వెజ్ సుక్క సాంబార్ రసం పౌడర్ పొడిలో ఉండు పేస్ట్లో ఉండు ఈతే అత్తు నన్నల ఉండు నీతాస్ అనే మసాలా